Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you are doing well. This video is prepared for you for the VLAN task. Um, for this task I am creating 3 VLANs and I will be configuring total 6 computers. So for each VLAN I am using 2 computers or group of 2 computers. So first of all you need to put these computers in the packet tracer, and we can differentiate these computers with the color as well. You can use this color, this one, and similarly for this we can use different color. Okay, so I am giving them names. So this one is for sales team, this one is for customer support, and this one is for development. Okay, so plus I am also giving them VLAN names as well. So this is VLAN 20, this one is VLAN 30. You can write any number here, or but you need at least number here, not any alphabetical character here. So this is VLAN 40. Then we will be needing a switch here, so we are using a switch here for connection. So next step is to connect these computers with the ports. So you need to connect the computer with their ports, and you have to connect them in sequence for your own convenience, so that you can remember the ports in sequence. This will be helpful for you in the configuration of VLANs. And finally the computer port 6 to computer 5. Our next step is to assign the IP addresses to these computers. So for that we need to go to each computer and assign the IP address. So I'm assigning the IP address 168.1.1. This one will be 1.2. This one will be 1.3, and this one will be 1.4. Similarly, PC4 will be 1.5, and PC5 will be 1.6. So after successful IP addresses allocation, we now need to check that whether these computers are communicating with each other or not. So 192.168.1.4. So we are getting a reply from the computer, so it means that our connection is established successfully. You can also check this by sending a packet message in real-time environment, and you can see that this is successful. So now our main task is to set up the VLAN so that uh, these computers can communicate within the group, but they cannot communicate uh, outside the group. So for example, the sales person can communicate within the sales team, and they cannot send any message to either customer support or development team. So for this setup we need to go to the switch setting, and its command line, just type enable config t, and we are in the configuration mode. So now we want to see the status of the VLAN, so you have to use the command do show VLAN. So you can see these VLANs are currently active, which are uh, enabled by default in the switch setting. So first of all, we have to write the names and numbers for the VLANs. So first of all, VLAN 20, I am setting its name as sales SL. You can write any number, any character here. It's up to you. Next one is exit. VLAN 30, and its name is customer support exit. Next one is VLAN 40. Its name is um, D development, so I am writing DT for shortcut. Okay, so now we will check the status of the VLANs will be updated. So do show VLAN. You can see the status of the VLANs here. These are active. Our next task is to assign the groups or ports of these VLANs to each of the computer in that specific group. So first of all, we need to go to PC0, and it is connected as PC port 01. So interface fast Ethernet port 0 by 1, and switch port access to VLAN 20, right? Exit. Next one is interface, um, this one fast Ethernet 02. So fast Ethernet 0 by 2, and switch port access VLAN 20. Exit. So we have set up the group for the VLAN 20. Next is this VLAN 30. Its port is 0 by 3. So interface fast Ethernet 0 by 3, switch port access VLAN 30. Exit. Similarly, interface fast Ethernet 0 by 4, and switch port access VLAN 30, right? Exit. So we have also configured the VLAN 30 now. Now move to VLAN 40. So its port is 5 and 6. So now interface fast Ethernet port 0 by 5, and switch port access is VLAN 40. Exit. Interface fast Ethernet 0 by 6, and switch port access VLAN 40. Mm, right, exit. Config, we have to save these settings. So exit and write WR, which mean writing. We have successfully copied the configuration, and now we should copy the running settings to the startup configuration. So this will save our setting to the startup configuration. So I think it's done. Let's check the communication now. So if I send a message from PC0 to PC4, now it will not be sent, right? You can see that you cannot send message from customer support to sales, but you can send a message within the group. Within the group, the communication will be successful, but outside the group, the communication will not be possible. So this is the implication of VLANs. I hope it's clear for you now.